Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick review of the Habilis Bush Tool. This is with almost the alpha rig. When I got it, he wasn't offering the alpha rig, but he is again. So you go to their website, habilisbushtools.com, you'll be able to check it out. Comes with the fire rod, made by Exotech. Has the capsule in the end, waterproof, O-ring sealed for your tinder. It also includes one of these little lights. It's not very bright, but in pure darkness it does help. So. It comes with the Smith's little sharpener, carbide with ceramic, and a ceramic rod for doing your fish hooks, gut hooks, that type of thing. Comes with a little saw for doing little fine work, trigger on a deadfall or something like that. I added tweezers and fingernail clippers because I'm always getting slivers or breaking a nail. I put this Kershaw gut hook in it. I know his comes with a gut hook also. And I have the Nomadic Hunter. You can also get it with the Feral Hunter. Same price, but it's a lot shorter. It comes with some arrowheads. I have them wrapped in some orange duct tape in case I need to mark something, find my way back. And the bush tool. There's also a little, I believe it's the P51 can opener down in here. They work surprisingly well for how small they are. If you ever get caught out in the woods with a bunch of cans and can't open. The alpha rig from Habilis also comes with some snare wire, but I don't have any snare wire, so mine doesn't have that. Retention's decent. It'll hold itself. With the retention strap, it's never gonna come out. A lot of people say, oh, all this stuff's held in with retention, it's just gonna fall out. But I've never had anything fall out. It's held in very solid. Alright, let's see how it performs. Piece of fur here. Nothing to it. Try this piece of wood pine. Has this little anvil area to aim for when you're batoning, and the fire rod notch. Also also has the divot for doing your bow drill fires. A hole at the back. You have a lanyard if you want, and 2 holes in the handle if you wanted to attach it to a spear. Make some nice curls for your feather sticks. I'd trust my life with it. Try chopping through this. 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Forgot to mention it also has a nice sharp spine. A little, like 95 degrees almost, more than 90, so it's sharp. But it works good for scraping bark off. And the finish is blued. Unlike that thick traction coating you see on a lot of knives, this is pretty nice. I don't know if you can see the laser etched Habilis logo. When they sharpen these, they do a Scandi grind and then they put a 30-degree secondary edge on there. They do it for durability. 30 degrees is supposed to be a good strong edge. So that's what they recommend. After 6 to 8 sharpenings, they recommend redoing the Scandi and then putting the secondary 30 back on there. So there it is, guys, the Habilis Bush Tool with alpha rigging, almost. Retention is good, even, well, fairly good. It doesn't take too much of it. Well, okay, it's pretty good. Retention's good.